In this video, I will be looking at the 9-5 homework assignment, and specifically I will be doing numbers 1 and 2. So the objective in 9-5 is that I can solve systems of equations to a real-world situation, and the real-world situation that I'm provided with here is that I'm trying to choose a gym. The plan for the two gyms are below. In numbers 1 and 2, I'm going to work out the math for the LA Fitness plan. So in number 1 and 2, this is what I'm looking at. And to purchase a membership at LA Fitness, you would need a $99 initiation fee before you even go, and then it's another $29.99 per month. Okay, so we can use that information to fill in the table, which means after 0 months, I'd be paying that down payment of $99. After 1 month, I would have paid the $99, but now I have to add on $29.99. So 99 plus $29.99, I got $128.99. So for each additional month, I just keep adding $29.99. So if I add $29.99 to that, I get $158.98. Add it again, I get $188.97. Add it again, I get $218.96. So that's building a table, but we also want to be able to write equations. And again, when something's going up by the same amount and has an initial cost, that is slope-intercept form. So I'm going to write my equation for the cost of the membership y. So the cost y would be y equals, after X months for LA Fitness, the rate of change is the $29.99, so that's slope. So that's my m times the number of months, plus the y-intercept would be the initial cost, so plus 99. So that's how you build the table and write the equation for LA Fitness.